Well, engine work's done. Pretty much almost a brand new engine. And it's also got a turbo 400 back in it. Only thing that's left is some better heads and better gears. Tack ain't hooked up yet, so don't even mind that. Let me put it in gear, that way you can gear it in gear. Yeah, that's pretty much that. Still in the break-in period, so I'm not gonna rev it real high or nothing. I revved it high once, and then I spurred a leak on my distributor, so I'm just gonna wait till the seals are broken in and give it about 2 weeks, and then I'll post another video. But that's my '79 truck.